Hey fuckers, this meditation is if you feel very stressed out and you just are like your face is fucking stressed out. You have resting bitch face or resting asshole face and you're just like, fuck this, I can't take it anymore. And this is a meditation for you to relax. So find a place where you can be still. You can do this seated or lying down on a bar stool in your car. Just don't fucking drive that bitch. Be safe. You might fall asleep. But find a place where you can be still. And once you find that place, softly, gently, close your eyes. And bring your attention and awareness to your breathing. Your fucking breath. Nothing to do or control with your breath. Just fucking breathe. Notice your inhales and your exhales. That's right, relaxing. And in just a moment, we'll take a scan of the body. I'll go through a body part, and you'll relax that fucker one by one until your whole body is relaxed. And that bitch ass face of yours is relaxed and easily and naturally soft. And not looking like a cunt. Because you deserve to relax. Yes, you do. Now bring your attention and awareness to your fingers and toes. Attention and awareness to your fingers and toes. And your fingers and toes relax. And now your attention and awareness to your hands and feet. Hands and fucking feet, and your hands and fucking feet relax. And this relaxation travels up your arm. Your entire arm relaxes. And your entire legs relax. Arms relax, legs relax. Fucking relaxing now. Fucking relaxing now. Bring your attention and awareness to the back of your head. Back of your fucking head relaxes. Top of your head relaxes. Forehead relaxes. Whole fucking face relaxes. Relax your entire fucking face. Relax your entire fucking face, you fuck. Do it now. Throat starts to relax. Back of the neck starts to relax. This relaxation goes into your shoulders. Shoulders start to relax. Relaxation up and down your spine. Your spine relaxes. Whole back relaxes. Your butt cheeks relax. Your entire asshole relaxes. Bringing your awareness to your nips. Your chest relaxes. Your whole torso relaxes. Whole body relaxes. Whole body relaxes now. Feeling a wave of relaxation all the way up and all the way fucking down. Whole body relaxes now. Fucking relaxing. Fucking relaxing. And you simply feel more and more relaxed because you deserve to relax. And take this relaxation with you throughout your entire fucking day, fuckface.